Dance with me, move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Down now we let it go. Sunset high and our body low. Blood rush in the haze.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing a review on something that's a bit different from the usual. It's not nail polish, it's not acrylic, it's actually a wax warmer. And you're probably thinking like, what is she doing? This is not nail related, but it is cosmetology related. If you're in cosmetology school or aesthetics, you will be doing waxing, whether it's eyebrows, face, whatever, you will be waxing. So they actually have a great deal going on, and I just could not pass it by, because not too long ago I was actually looking for a wax warmer for myself, because right now I have like the little kind you just put in a microwave from Sally's, but like it just kept spilling. Like I put it in the same box it came with, and I keep it in one spot, and for some reason like it's all over the place and it's really messy. So I wanted to get an actual wax warmer where I could just sit it somewhere and it just stays there, doesn't move. I just turn, you know, press the button and it turns on. But I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and finish the rest of this wax and then I'll get a new one. So this one was actually one of the ones that I was thinking about getting, which is why I decided to, you know, go ahead and do a review on it, because again, it was just such a good deal. You will be getting 50% off, which makes the wax warmer only $14.99. And sorry, I haven't showed it yet, but this is what it looks like. It will come with the actual wax warmer. It'll come with three bags of the wax, and then it'll come with 10 of the applicator sticks. So here is a little bit of details. So again, it has a 110 voltage. The power is 100 watts. The capacity is 50 milliliters of wax. You can adjust the temperature, which would be from 86 Fahrenheit to 275 Fahrenheit, anywhere in between there. The color of the actual wax warmer is white. The material of the wax warmer is ABS. And then the wax sticks, again, it comes with 10 wax sticks. And then it says heating time. According to the amount of wax, the duration will be different, generally within 30 minutes. So usually, like if you put one little bag of wax in there, it'll take like 30 minutes for it to melt. But then on the side, it has like the instructions on how to use it. So basically, you put the beads in the wax warmer, because the wax comes in like little beads. I'm pretty sure you've seen a video like on Facebook or something, because it was going around for a while. And then you turn the wax warmer on to max and just let it sit there for like 30 minutes until it's melted. Number 3 says heat the wax bead until it's totally melted. I already said that. And then number 4 is apply the wax to the skin. Now, one thing that I do want to say is that if you're only using this on you, it's okay to double dip. And what I mean is, like, you know, get a stick, dip it in there, put it on your arm, dip it back in there. But if you're using any type of wax on other people, you do have to dispose of your stick every time. You never want to dip your stick back in the wax after you've already used it. It's really unsanitary. As you guys know, bacteria just love warm places, and it is a wax warmer, so it is just so unnecessary, unsanitary. And even if you ever go to get wax, like at a nail, I know a lot of nail shops do waxing, so if you ever go anywhere to get waxed and you see them double dipping, you better run, girl, because they are gonna give you some sort of infection, because it's so unsanitary. And like, especially if they're doing like bikini wax or like on your face, like, girl, you need to run. But anyways, again, if you're only using it on yourself, it's okay, because it's like your germs. But even then, I would still try to, you know, just keep it clean and just dispose of it. I'm pretty sure they have like more like applicator sticks that you can buy, but anyways, after you melt the wax, you just apply it on your skin, whether it's your legs, your face. You apply it on there, leave it for a few minutes, and then tear it off. One thing that you do want to know about doing waxing is you have to tear off in the way in which the hair grows. So if your hair grows forward, you want to make sure that you pull, actually no, you pull the opposite way. So if they grow forward, you pull backwards. I think, don't quote me on that. I have to go back and read my book. As you guys know, I'm more of the nail person, so yeah. But anyways, the reason why I wanted a wax warmer was because this is probably TMI, but I wanted to start getting my underarms waxed because I just felt like after shaving for so long, I feel like they're turning, like they're getting darker every time. So I hated that. So I just recently started waxing them, and y'all, waxing them, they last so much longer. Like I can literally go like 3 weeks without having to, you know, do it again because it just grows so slow whenever you wax them. Every time that I shave, like it's literally hair there the next day, and like I'm not joking, like I would show y'all, but it's a little bit of hair there now, but it's literally been like 3 weeks since I actually waxed my underarms. And again, this wax was actually a different wax from like Sally's, but I am excited to use this one and hopefully I get the same results. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box, and again, it comes in a box like this. And the price of this is originally, what is it, like $29.99, but again, you will get a promo code for 50% off, which will make it $14.99. And then this sale actually starts on November 31st of course 2018. So it would be a really good gift for either your friend that's in cosmetology school, your daughter that's in cosmetology school, or aesthetics, or just for yourself, because I know this would be for me. But this is what the actual wax look like. It just comes in like little beads, and I don't know if they have like different scents. Let's see. I want to open it and smell it. Let's see. My nose is kind of stuck up, so I might not even be able to smell it. Okay, I can't open it. Okay, I can't open it, but it comes with 3, and I don't think that it has different scents. Okay, but it does have directions on the back, as well as like a warning about, you know, not leaving the wax on too hot because it will burn you. So you always want to make sure that you go back and check, or before you even start, check the wax like on the inside of your wrist to make sure that it's not too hot. And if it is too hot, you know, just turn the temperature down and let it sit for a few minutes, and then check it again to make sure that the temperature is okay. So here is the 10 applicator sticks, and then here is the actual wax warmer. I'm gonna get the, and then here is the manual. So I'm gonna get the box out of the way, but let's see, the instructions, I basically already read the instructions. Let's see, it does have warning signs, basically saying to reduce risk of burns or fire or injuries. It says never operate the device if it has been damaged, if it has a damaged cord. If it's not working properly, do not use it. And then if it's been dropped in water, of course, do not use it. And then make sure that if you're waxing yourself, make sure there's no kids around, because you know they love to put their hands in things, and you do not want their hand to go in this wax. And then they said there's instructions on how to clean it as well. But it's all in here. So again, all you have to do is just read the little manual. But this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So it comes in like bubble wrap. And it has a little display screen. And then it has the little knob where you can change the temperature. And once you like start twisting the knob, the temperature will show up on the little screen, I'm guessing. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in so we can see. And I'm not going to do the wax in there today because there's really nothing, you know, I don't need to wax today, but I just wanted to still show you guys, you know, the actual warmer. So it comes with the top, and then it actually comes with the container in here, and this is what it looks like. So this is what you would actually pour your little beans in. You would pour them in here. It comes with, oh, it's already getting warm and I just plugged it in. Like I can feel it in here. But you never want to just put your beads straight into here. It has to go in the little pot because it will be a hot mess, and yeah, you don't want to do that. So you just literally pour your wax beads in the thing in here and just let it, you know, soak off. Not soak off, I'm still thinking about this. And just let it melt for like 30 minutes until you can go in there and you can see that it's actually fully melted. And right now, okay, I have it on max, so as you can see, the temperature is going up pretty quick. So you just want to let it sit in there until it melts. You would get your applicator stick, you know, get some wax, test it on the inside of your wrist. And then this is actually, you're probably thinking like, where are the strips? Because as you guys know, regular wax, when you go get wax, they use a strip. Well, this one, you don't need a strip. You literally just apply the wax on yourself and then let it sit for a few minutes and then just rip the wax off. Because it's really, y'all probably need to wax my arms. They're so hairy. But you literally just apply the wax and then just tear it off once it dried a little bit. So it's really simple to do. Again, this was like a great deal. $14.99, like where? Like where could you get a wax warmer for $19.99 with the applicators and 3 bags of the beads? So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was really simple and to the point. I hopefully will be able to do a video soon of me actually using the wax warmer. So this is basically just an unboxing. But again, this would be a great gift to buy for somebody that's in cosmetology school or even just for yourself. So again, this sale will start November 31st. So I will leave the information down in the description as far as the link, the dates, and the promo code as well. So again, this is the Tdbest wax warmer hair removal kit, and I guess that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetKnow32. And also, sorry, I got interrupted. My mom was calling about bringing tortas de carnitas. And of course, I had to answer the phone. But anyways, don't forget to hit the little bell down below to make sure that you are notified every time that I post. But I'll see you guys later. And thank you for watching.